so I'm going to do an unboxing video for you all. And the albums that I'm going to do is Plies, The Real Testament, and Plies, The Definition of Real. Check it out. Hope you all enjoy. So this is the cover of the album Plies, The Real Testament. It came out in 2008. Here's the back of it. Now the songs on there that I like is Working Season, Running My Mama Crazy, Shorty, featuring T-Pain. That's a good song. And there's a few others that I like as well, like 100 Years, One More Time, that's good. Hypnotize, featuring Akon. That's another good song that I like. And at the time when Plies came out, I was into him and I loved, everything about his music. I still fuck with Plies. He's a good artist. Lately he's been on Instagram, posting videos and stuff. But I think he still makes music and does music videos. Yeah. He's one of the best artists, I think, in hip-hop right now. So this is the inside of it. Now, I have a mixtape CD of The Real Testament and explicit content on it. And this right here is the clean version. This is the booklet. Here's the inside. It has all the tracks from the album. There's a picture of him. The last page, and right here is thank you notes. And that's it. That's the unboxing video for Plies, The Real Testament album. And now I'm going to do Plies, The Definition of Real album. Here's Plies' second album. And what I like about this album is that one of my favorite songs on there is Blessed Baby Part 2, Somebody Loves You, featuring Patti LaBelle. If you haven't heard the song with that, it's pretty good. And the song itself explains, like, no matter what you're going through, somebody out there loves you, and then you're not going through it alone. So it's a very sweet, amazing song. And other songs that I like on the album is Watch This. Also like Please Excuse My Hands. That one's good. Who Hotter Than Me. Yeah. So overall, it's a great album. If you haven't heard of it or have it, you should listen to it. It's good. So here's the inside. It's a picture of him. Let me show you the booklet. It's the last page, and these are just thank you notes. And that's about it. That's the unboxing video. Plies, Definition of Real. Hope you all enjoyed, and please like it if you did. And I'll be back for more vids. Also subscribe and make sure you hit the notification bell so you don't miss any vids of mine. Alright? Hope you all have a good night, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.